I'll demonstrate how this incredible program works using a prompt I've had for a while about a girl, river bong, or katana. First, we'll input our desired prompt and click on the Add Match section to start adjusting the initial parameters. You'll see four main sections: settings, style, models, and modal band. In the settings section, you'll specify how you want the model to look, whether more realistic or anime style. This depends on what you're aiming to create and the quality you want for the final product. If you need images quickly and quantity matters more, you might prefer the extreme speed option, for example. But typically, when testing these programs, we don't use quality to see which it's the highest level this program can reach, isn't it? You can also adjust the image rate based on your desired image quality. Choose what works best for your photo. Wow. Now here's something incredible about this app. You can generate up to 32 images at once with the same prompt. This is amazing. Imagine taking a prompt and telling it, I input the prompt, set the quality if I want, let the computer work for however long it needs, and it produces 32 different images from that single prompt. This is fantastic for creating variations, mixing ideas, or picking the best elements from each. It's incredible. Lastly, choose your output format, PNG, JPG, or WP, and don't forget the negative prompt. That's where you specify what you don't want in the image. We usually put things like no text and so on. Maybe it's putting things in images that you don't want. You can use this negative prompt to specify what you don't need. In the style section, you can choose the style you want the program to use for generating these images. As you can see by hovering over any option, you can get an idea of how each one works, what kind of art it produces. You have quite a selection there, whether you want something more video game-like or more realistic. I'm going to use a game theory prompt, okay? Since my prompt is cyberpunk, I'll tell it to use these 3 or 4 styles I've selected. If you know a specific style or want to find content, there's a search bar available. In the models section, you'll specify which model to use for generating these images. We'll use the default one, but you can choose a different one or even add a refiner, okay? If you want to find models, I recommend FOOOCUS AI. We have a tutorial there, and it's a great place for models. We've used it for other ConfUI tutorials, which is similar to this app, so check it out if you're interested. Lastly, in advanced, set the guidance scale. It determines how artistic the output will be, and the image sharpener controls how clean and crisp the final image appears. Don't limit yourself to these options, as it might affect the image quality when generating. Once everything is set up, you can click on Generate. Oh, I forgot to mention, it's crucial to use English prompts with these AI programs, okay? The machine understands English better. As you can see, it's now generating the image. You'll watch it generate frame by frame, transforming into the text you've input. Let's see what result we get. As you can see, this is the final result from our prompt. Incredible. It looks amazing with the cyberpunk style. The man here, totally cyberpunk mode. You can create incredible things. I hope this helped, and now you can generate your first images, right?